Hello everybody, Philip Miller here, and today we talk about the new Manjaro homepage in current development. So we are now here on the landing page. So we see here what Linux actually is. We talk about how we do it in Manjaro, so that we have XFCE desktops and that we support the MS Office Online. You will see our team for the core developers. We have a new download section which explains you a little bit which edition do we have here, and the new feature we have is the selector. So we see here the flagship editions, beginner friendly. If you, for example, say you have an old computer and select for old computers, we actually reduce the selection, and if you want to have the traditional workflow, you will see here the XFCE edition. But if you uncheck everything, you will see the whole list of current availability of Manjaro editions. We will extend that later to the community editions as well. So if you like to get more information about one current edition, you can simply look into it. You see then which version we have it, and you can either download it directly or use a torrent. Also, we explain how you can check if the ISO is secure. So after you download the ISO, you can either check it with the SHA-SAMs or even use our development GPGK, and there you see everything is okay. And to get started, we added the first steps. So here you see the different ways how to try Manjaro. You can either use a virtual machine or use it as a live system, or later, if you like it, install it. So the process is really straightforward. We explain how to use it in the different machines and environments, and explain in short term how to burn it or install it on a USB stick and then later on your system. Also in the support section we list the common problems. So you can see here, for example, how to install software. It's clean and simple, and if you want to know more about it, you can simply go to the wiki. Also, the user guide. The user guide is one of the best documentations we actually created. So here we have the summary, and we currently give you the user guide in English and in French. If you need more support than that, you can go to our wiki. In the About section, we explain actually what is Manjaro. So we have here everything, latest software, friendly community, resource efficient, easy to set up. We explain our core features and even how much it costs. Also in the About section, we explain that you're on the driver's seat. You control your data, you can change everything you own, and we help you to do that. Configuration is one click away. You see here that we speak several languages, that we have easy usage UI graphics tools to configure your hardware. If you travel a lot, you can change easily the time section. You can divide and conquer and switch even more kernels, for example. Also, for whom is Manjaro? So we are for scientists, gamers, teachers, developers, home users. If you want to know more about that, you can dive in, see for example developers recommending Manjaro. You can easily check out which tools we have. We link to the home pages of the tools, so we get more information from them. And also we explain how we actually get the packages. So most likely we go daily basis from the Arch Linux. We put all the packages in our unstable, then compile our own package again, that snapshot, put it to testing branch where the huge community members will test it for things we might have missed as developers, and after that it goes to our stable branch. Also we have the security updates. We do it in fast tracking, so if you have an issue with Firefox, you will see it in stable as soon as it got released in our unstable branch as well. And if you like what you see, well, you can even donate to us. So we have two options. You can either use PayPal or use the bank transfer. And if you want to know more about the development, all the packages updates, you can go to our minor list. So this is about a short tour about the development we currently do on our homepage. We'll be launching it most likely end of this month or maybe in December. It depends. So have a nice day and see you soon.